Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm not under the carport, I'm in the home office. Okay, I got the iCrimp wire stripping tool here, and about to strip it, as you can see. And I used something similar a long time ago. I know you have to be careful, you'll cut right through the wires below the installation there. So it looks like I did it right this time. If it's hard to pull off, then it's just right, I believe. There's a few little strands I cut through. Yeah. I think it's ready for the lug. Now I just need to get it into the tool and crimp it down. This is a very heavy duty crimping tool. It's heavy and it's very well made. It's only like about 27 bucks. And I didn't expect for it to be this nice. So I'm gonna get it started using the desk. Just gotta press down on it a little bit, and then I get it with both hands. And there it goes. It didn't do it perfectly the first time, like all the way around. It kind of mostly pinched on one side. I might have been putting too much pressure on one side, but I'm gonna put it back in there and crimp the other side down. And it's crazy how easy it is to close down on it, crimp down on it. I'm gonna give it one more go. Yeah, the long handles really help. And they're rubberized, plus they got the handles on the end. And I tugged on it and it's on there good. I'm gonna put some tester tape. This isn't the hard to cut version of the tester tape. This is the easy version to cut. I'm gonna put some. This is just testing it out. I'm gonna put the high heat tear resistant tester tape on later. But this is a little test run on the new tools. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe.